Welcome to our quick tutorial on adding and removing a template from your field in Harvest Profit. By going to the applications page, there are a few different ways to add a template. The first is using the Apply Templates button at the top. I can click on that. I can choose which fields I want to add templates to. I'll click Select and Continue. Then I'll choose which template to apply, and then I'll click Apply Template. As you can see, for Bucks Southwest, I now have 4 new applications in here. Now I can also remove it by clicking on the X button right in that field, and that'll remove it as well. Additionally, we have an Apply Templates button on the Templates page. And the other way to do it is by clicking on your field and clicking the Apply Template button. And then selecting corn from the dropdown. And this will add those applications into your field. If you have any questions on this, you can email us at support@harvestprofit.com or by clicking on the Help button in the bottom right-hand corner, clicking on the Ask tab, and your email will automatically be populated and you can send us a message directly from there. Thanks.